y'all! Today we're making pumpkin cake toppers perfect for a Thanksgiving or fall themed cake. I'm Shelby Bauer and this is the Sugar Scoop. I'm starting with orange modeling chocolate. You can also use fondant. I prefer Madame Loulou Fondant. Knead until it's soft and flexible, then roll small pieces into a banana shape. Roll out a small piece of modeling chocolate so we can cover our rice cereal treat ball. This will keep small crumbs of cereal treat off of the outside of our pumpkin and help the chocolate adhere better. To make our pumpkin ridges, place your banana onto the ball, putting the tips at the top center and the bottom center. Keep layering around the ball until it's full and resembles a pumpkin. It won't be perfect, but that's a good thing. Pumpkins are not perfect. I'm using a modeling tool to create a larger dent in the top of the pumpkin where our stem will go. To create the stem, I'm using brown modeling chocolate. Roll a small piece into a snake. Check to make sure it's a good size for your pumpkin first before creating the stem. Using a veining tool, create lines up and down the stem. Pinch the top edge to resemble where the pumpkin stem was cut. Twist the whole stem. Place onto the pumpkin. Make small holes in the top of the stem to add a little more detail. Use some crumpled up foil to create texture on the pumpkin ridges. Now we're ready to paint. I'm using edible dust colors mixed with vodka to paint my pumpkin cake topper. I have some browns and blacks for shading and bronze sparkly colors for the highlights. I'm using the browns and blacks mixed with vodka to shade the ridges of the pumpkin. I like to use the powdered colors because they dry matte. A little green highlight on the stem. Then some sparkle. I think this one's called apple cider. I'm using this as a highlight and to make the pumpkin just a little bit more interesting. A little bronze highlight on the stem. And we're done! I noticed the modeling chocolate creates a little bit lumpier of a pumpkin, maybe a little more realistic, and the fondant helps create a smoother looking pumpkin. Either way, I love how the pumpkins turned out. I'm definitely using these pumpkins on a cake for Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching!